Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 10.4 from Practical Geometry 7th class NCERT. Question number 2. Construct triangle PQR. If PQ is equal to 5 centimeters, measure of angle PQR is equal to 105 degrees and measure of angle QRP is equal to 40 degrees. So we have to construct a triangle PQR. This comes under the side angle criteria. Here is the one hint is given, that is angle sum property. We will discuss later about this. So see, construction of triangle. Before going into that, we have to construct a rough sketch of the given triangle. So take a rough sketch. Now triangle PQR, we have to take any base. Here only one side is given. So that's why here I am taking as one base, that is PQ. PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Now measure of angle PQR, it means angle Q is equal to 105 degrees. Put a protractor here and mark 105 degrees here like this. It means like this. Now extend that. Measure of angle QRP, it means measure of R is equal to 40 degrees. But in this base we don't have R. In this line also we don't know where R must be. So what we have to do, one thing here, 105 degrees, right? So we don't have any angles, but hint is angle sum property. We know that angle sum property, we know that sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees, right? By using this formula, we can get angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P we don't know. Angle Q they give 105 degrees plus angle R they give 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle P plus 145 degrees is equal to 180 degrees and angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. So angle P is equal to finally, so 35 degrees is the answer. Now angle P we know, angle Q know, angle R know. So now from P we have to put a protractor and measure 35 degrees from P. So it might be like this. This is rough sketch only. Now extend this to where their point of intersection occurs. So this point of intersection called R. So now if you have any doubts, put a protractor and see. If you see, this is gets 40 degrees and this is, we already know, that is 35 degrees. So by using these three we got 180 degrees, right? So this is the rough sketch. If you understand this, you can easily construct triangle PQR. So let's start construction of main triangle. Given triangle PQR has PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Measure of angle Q is equal to 105 degrees and measure of angle R is equal to 40 degrees. Now step 1. Take base as PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Now I am taking base as 5 centimeters. See, this is 0 and this is 5. Draw a line by connecting these 2 points. This is called P and this is called Q. PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Now step 2 is angle Q. So take protractor, measure angle Q is equal to 105 degrees and draw a line. So use the protractor at Q. See, this 0 line is parallel to 0 line and where we have to measure an angle that must be parallel to point of measuring also. So this is the point Q and 105 degrees, 80, 90, 100 and 5, 105. Draw a line through that point like this. Now this is 105 degrees. Measure of angle PQR is equal to 105 degrees. Now step 3. We don't know P, but by using angle sum property we found the angle P 35 degrees. So by using angle sum property we found angle P is equal to 35 degrees. Now measure angle P is equal to 35 degrees at point P and draw a line that is also intersects the angle Q line. Why? Because of we don't know another side of the given triangle. So that's why this angle is intersects this given angle line. Okay, let's take protractor, and at P we have to measure 35 degrees, right? 0, 10, 20, 30 and 35 degrees. Now draw P at this point, draw like this. So this is the point of intersection. Now step 4. This is 35 degrees, right? Angle P is equal to 35 degrees. Now name point of intersection as R if angle R is equal to 40 degrees. Measure. Now name point of intersection as R. So this is the construction completed. So the construction of triangle PQR is completed with angle side angle criteria. So but here R is given, we have to measure whether R is equal to 40 degrees or not. Now take the protractor, take the conformation also and put it point R like this. Now this is at R and this is 0. This is R line 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is also having 40 degrees. Now we can conclude that the construction of triangle PQR is completed because of by using angle sum property. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.